So hi, it's Mike from The Beaten Trail. And in this episode, we're going to go over just some new essentials that we're carrying now on the trail. The main reason for this video is to shout out two products. Now the first one, you can pick this up at Harbor Freight. And what it is a little half-gallon sprayer. I don't think it was $5, $6, $7, $8. It wasn't much. And I can strap this in over here on the back of my side-by-side. But one of the biggest issues you may have as we come around the front is your radiator. If you're a side-by-side, you're down here. So your radiator behind here, this is all mud level. And now as you can see, the mud's gonna come in here and it's gonna mud up your radiator 50% of the way. The hot cooling comes in here and cools downward. Whichever direction it's gonna go, half of your radiator is going to be, muddy. And if that is happening, you're going to have some coolant that's blocked from being cooled, and you're going to overheat. So anytime that you're using water on your radiator, you want to be careful. You don't want to bend the fins. We have a couple rock damage pieces. I really should have a nice little mesh over that, and we'll review one of those. But this is a great way to clean your radiator in the field. You can carry a gallon of water, and it just really gives you the ability to get out of a pinch when you overheat. Now I know some machines will relocate these up in the back. We don't have that opportunity, but when we do mud, we're usually up only a foot or two in mud. We're not extremists, but this is a great thing to have, and it'll allow you to clean out your radiator and clear mud, and it's not too much pressure and it's not going to damage it. So that's the first product. And again, if you have this here, you can just put your grill back up, and you can even just shoot it through the grill. You sit there and you clean it out, and it's not a big deal. But this is a great, I'd recommend. I mean, we have Harbor Freight stores here. You probably get it at Home Depot. You can get a bigger one if you want, but this is a small trail. We don't have a lot of room, but this is a great essential to have, and we will repeat it. $6, $7 is probably the best $6, $7 you're going to spend on an accessory, short of tire plugs. But that takes us to the next bit of our review. We all have plugs, and you have your plug kit, and it comes in handy. But we have a tendency to pinch our sidewalls. Now, some people may say, well, that's because you put too much air in it, not enough air. But we were chasing a bunch of Can-Ams into the woods, and I just happened to have low air and pinched the rock, and we had some damage. So this product, and I'm going to flip you around, is good to carry. And just full disclosure, we did use plugs in the field. You should just be able to wet down the tire and let it dry and sand it. So we did this afterwards, and we put a tube in the tire, and it worked out really well. But it's an excellent essential to have on the trail in your arsenal of tire punctures. So it's recommended. We'll put a link up for this. And then what you're going to do is you actually apply the sealant. Now the only complaint I've heard is this may take longer than the 30 minutes or an hour you may have out on the trail to get back and going. So just so you know, what we did is we patched this, but we also put a tube in this tire. The reason why we did that is this was too close to the bead, and it was just not going to work. And then if you have any flexing, you're going to have some issues. Put a link up for this, and it'll be one of our Amazon affiliate links. You pay the same price, but you're going to help support our channel by buying one of these through our link. We'll get, I don't know, 25 cents or something like that. So this is highly recommended. I think it was only $22. But you can use it multiple times. We carry the sidewall slug, we carry this, and we carry our plugs, and as always, a compressor. Just a quick video. We had to use this when we went to Tar Hollow. That's what happens when a little trail starts chasing Can-Ams with 100 more horsepower than he has through the woods at high speed. But it was a lot of fun. You just occasionally you'll hit a little incline and it'll pinch. It'll compromise the side wall. But Tusk Terabytes are great. I really like the Tusk Terabytes, and we probably have 500-600 miles on them. Best investment. You know, I say this is the best investment, that's the best investment, but they're all really good. Give a shout out to the Arizona Kid. So we met up with him online and had some discussions, shared some tech tips back and forth on social media and whatnot. So make sure that you check him out. He's got a nice diversity of desert location footage, as well as some how-tos, and so he does a lot of this. He's been doing it for a lot longer than we have, and so we always welcome his advice. And thanks for the shout out. He gave us some shout outs on the channel, so if you're watching this, go check him out and subscribe and like his videos and share them, leave a comment. But pretty much I just wanted to say that the Arizona Kid offered some valuable advice, and that's what the channel's about. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment it and share. And we're going to put Amazon links up, so if you happen to be shopping at Amazon, we appreciate if you click on one of our links. Even if you don't buy something from us or anything we're selling, we still get a little credit. You know, we get like 5 cents, 10 cents, something like that. But it helps support the channel so we can do more videos of this for you. And again, great to have extra accessories, and we hope to have more of these videos soon. So thanks for watching, and we hope to see you out there on the trail. And I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me. We're gonna try this out and see how well this works with our little GoPro swivel stick. I think it's gonna work that well.